Hello, everybody. Welcome to week 4 of Health Sciences. A couple of updates for this week. We are presenting our physical health projects on Friday, so please be sure to have those slideshows ready and complete. You can use the rubric that's posted in week 3 Health Sciences to help guide you, and we'll be presenting to each other on Friday. So let me know if you have any questions about that. For week 4, we're going to be studying two really important topics. We're going to be studying depression and addiction. And those two issues sometimes go hand in hand. In fact, they often go hand in hand. So we'll be talking about the science behind what depression really is and what addiction really is. We'll discuss what the causes are and who's most affected or most likely to be affected by depression and anxiety and addiction. And then lastly, we'll be researching and kind of debating and writing about some possible solutions for the issues that the United States faces as far as addiction and depression go. So that's this week in a nutshell. No big projects, no presentations. There are 6 assignments, which you can see here in the background. A couple of these are intros. There's some videos, discussions. Assignment W4A3 is kind of cool. It's an article about how Canada has a clinic where people can safely come in, relatively safely come in and inject drugs with nurses and clean materials to reduce STDs and overdoses. And interestingly, Denver just became the first city in the United States to approve plans for a similar kind of program 2 nights ago. So we're sort of on the cutting edge of this concept ourselves. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns or need any help, and have a great week. Bye.